In today's video, I'm going to teach you TradingView Heatmap tutorial, how to use the heatmap on TradingView. By the end, you'll know how to find the heatmap, customize it for your style, read what the colors and sizes mean, and use it to support smarter market analysis. First, open TradingView in your browser. This works on both desktop and mobile, but a larger screen makes it easier to see everything at once. Next, navigate to the heat maps. Hover over the products menu at the top, go to screeners, and choose either stock heat map or crypto heat map. I'll focus on the stock version, but the crypto one behaves the same way. Once it loads, you'll see a grid of colored blocks grouped by sectors or other categories. Now let's customize the view so it reflects what you care about. At the top, use the filters to narrow results by exchange, such as NYSE or NASDAQ, or by sector like technology or financials. You can also switch the size metric to things like market cap, employee count, or trading volume, depending on what you want the block size to represent. Click the settings cog to adjust the display. If you turn on mono size, every company shows as the same size block, which is great for spotting breadth without larger companies dominating the screen. You can also change grouping to organize by sector or industry. Finally, set the time frame to see performance over a day, a week, a month, or longer. Shorter periods help you spot intraday momentum, while longer views highlight broader trends. Reading the heat map is straightforward once you know the visual language. Green generally signals price gains and red shows declines, with darker shades indicating stronger moves. If the color scale feels too intense or not intense enough, you can fine-tune it in settings on many layouts. The size of each square often represents market capitalization, so bigger blocks are larger companies. If you switch to mono size, each company is equal, making it easier to see how many names are up or down rather than who's biggest. When you're ready to dive deeper, click any block to open that asset's detailed chart. From there, you can apply your indicators, draw levels, and review recent price action. Keep an eye on how the heat map shifts in real time. It's a fast way to spot sector rotation, unusual strength or weakness, and emerging themes. Use these insights alongside your existing strategy and risk management to make more informed decisions. This tool is a visual shortcut, not a standalone signal, so always confirm with your usual analysis before taking a trade. That's it. Open the heat map, tailor it to your needs, understand the colors and sizes, and drill down for detail when something catches your eye.